Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2010 Lexus IS 250. Alright, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove these covers. Next thing we're going to do is loosen up the negative post here. This is a size 10 millimeter. To loosen these up, go ahead and loosen this up and take this one down. There it is. Stick that to the side. We'll loosen up the positive one as well and move this one over to the side as well, just like so. Alright, then we have a 10 millimeter back here as well. Let's go ahead and loosen this up. Once you remove that nut, just put it here in a nice safe location. Then we'll be able to remove this bracket from here, like so. And it's locked right there, so just work it out. It's getting caught up here now. Just be gentle with it. Alright, I had to use both hands to pull this one. You can see my little indentions there. Pull this back and pull that out, and our battery is free. So let's go ahead and take out the battery now. Alright, and there's one more hook actually right down there. Kinda see it. There it is, hugging up those wires. Can't even get it to focus. Alright, what I did was grab a flathead and pry these open. There's two flaps there. That loosens these cables up. Now we're able to remove this battery from here. Alright, and there it is. And that is how you remove the battery from this 2010 Lexus IS 250. There's that bracket I was dealing with. There it is. You could also try to stick the flathead in here. And there's a little latch right there. And there as well. This one's already been broken off. It's no big deal. We'll go ahead and replace this one with the new one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.